Good day. My name is Mediana Aryuni. I am a student of doctoral program in Department of Informatics Institut Teknologi 10 November, Surabaya, Indonesia. I want to present my paper entitled Resampling Methods for Imbalanced Datasets in Multi-Label Classification, a review. The agenda for this presentation are introduction, methodology, discussion, and conclusions. Classification is one of the supervised learning techniques that utilize training data for the learning process and classifier model construction. There are two types of classification. The first one is single label classification, which classifies data into one class label, while multi-label classification classifies data into multiple class labels, not mutually exclusive. The implementation of multi-label classification are protein function classifications, text categorization, medical diagnosis, music categorizations, image categorization, and gene classification. The datasets which have a non-uniform distribution are called imbalanced because there are much more samples from the majority class than from the minority class. The imbalanced dataset can impact the performance of the classifier in predicting the minority class samples, which are frequently classified as the majority class. The resampling techniques are the most used and classifier independent. Hence, they are very beneficial for handling imbalanced multi-label datasets because any classification algorithm can accept a pre-processed dataset from the resampling technique. The objective of this paper is to review resampling techniques that are already utilized to overcome the imbalance issues in multi-label classifications and to know what the insights and research gaps are. The following research questions include: first, what are the resampling methods that have been utilized for imbalanced datasets in multi-label classification? Second, what are the classifier methods that have been used in its resampling algorithm? Third, what are the performance measures that have been used in its resampling algorithm? Fourth, how is the performance of its resampling algorithm? The methodology. First, I want to share about the literature search strategy. The word sampling and imbalance and multi-label was used for data collection by searching in Google Scholar database. We selected the top 110 papers based on their relevance and filtered by a range of years 2012 until 2023. The results were 98 papers. On the right, we can see the number of papers from 2012 until 2023. Next is scope definition. The selection of relevant papers was based on three criteria. First, the work applies or proposes strategies for handling imbalanced multi-label classification. Second, The study makes use of imbalanced multi-label datasets. And third, the publication is written entirely in English. The results were 21 key papers. And for the dataset, multi-label classification mostly utilized the Mulan datasets. And the dataset domain include biology, image, music, text, and video. For the research question 1, what are the resampling methods that have been utilized for imbalanced dataset in multi-label classification? There are 3 types of resampling methods. The first one is oversampling, undersampling, and hybrids, which combine oversampling and undersampling. On the right, the table shows the resampling techniques. For the oversampling, LP rows, ML rows, ML smooth, and remedial. For the undersampling, there are LP rows, ML ENN, ML rows, MLTL, and for the hybrid remedial, it's HWR. Several opportunities for further research, including merge the resampling techniques by enhancing their positive aspect and mitigating their negative aspect, and use an ensemble strategy and investigate the base classifier. For research question number 2, what are the classifier methods that have been used in its resampling algorithm? The top 3 used classifier methods are binary relevance, calibrated label ranking, and k-nearest neighbor. Research question number 3. What are the performance measures that have been used in its resampling algorithm? The most utilized performance measure is F-measure that has 2 types, micro-averaging and macro-averaging. For research question number 4, how is the performance of its resampling algorithm? On the left, we can see the performance of its resampling technique, which is combined with the classifier algorithm. And the best performance for binary relevance and multi-label k-nearest neighborhood classifier is LP-ROS. ML-ROS has the best performance for CLR and BR-KNN classifier. From this paper, we can conclude some points. To address the issue of class imbalance in multi-label classification, this study reviews resampling techniques covering datasets, classifier algorithm, and performance metrics. Several papers on imbalanced multi-label classification that were published between 2012 and 2023 were gathered and examined for this study. We also discovered that there is a lack of research on imbalanced multi-label classification, with most of the activities that have been done to solve the imbalance problem concentrating on single-label classification. The need for multi-label classification is expanding across several fields, yet there is still a lack of research on creating a thorough framework to address imbalance problems in multi-label classification. Thank you. That's all for my presentation.